the disrespect where the remarks were pass, brother, not even me, not even pass them remarks in front of him friend. He lick me on my back. Like I pull the car and I go in there to take up one blanket for cover up mommy because we'd have to stay in one place. So I go in the car and I take up a blanket and I say, nah, bother your friend, brother. Because your friend asleep in the car and I see him car when I run with him and say, oh, we have to pay for. I pull the car now and him brethren did them. I just take up and I take up and I nah trouble. I say to him brethren, I nah trouble him, because I don't want him to get mad and lick me. So he said time, he grab my shirt and drag my back out of the car. Boom in my back. So he said time, me go to barbz now, alright then. Me take it bag and walk. Me take it bag and walk, go about my business and me don't look back. Cause he might disrespect me, he might disrespect me people, man. He grab the whole of me hair back. See the whole of my head there, the whole of my ear tear out. The whole of my ear tear out, me take it out. Me take it out of my head. I don't know who me attack, brother. Me not call nobody name. Me just attack some things so nobody not try to twist the narrative and make me look like a liar. They say, you see, because this man is a narcissist, he know how to talk to people. He know how to get underneath people's skin for they look for we don't want dirty way, kind of like we. That me I tell them, I don't want to call nobody name. The man say I can't police for me if you go pay for this and pay for that. My credit card, it's my card. It's my fucking card. And you wanna beat me up and tap in my back and squeeze me throat and still wanna take my card from me, bro? Me an idiot. Go find the money yourself. Since I say you're rich and I need weak and we are low life. Me a low life girl. And if you go sell me pussy. Me sell me pump and take care of my baby. Leave my credit card alone and go pay for it yourself. Cause you can't tap in on my back, kick me up down the road and people do that laugh off of me and nobody not help me. And you come up here and drive, come up my mother house. Hey Annie, tell your big pussy daughter to give me my blood clot card. Annie, tell your big pussy daughter to give me my card. Who if you come out and give your card? No, not even my mother disrespect. My mother just want you to come out by property. Cause you know how we live now. You don't say we don't live now. You come down yourself and make one bag of nice woman in a problem with me. So we just want you to go on by your business. Police come, we give you the money. Just to show you say we not come to disrespect your company, internet contract boy. We just want to give you where you forget and make you go about your business, dog. Cause me not stay around here, you know. Okay, me stay around here as though you say I kill you, I go kill me because you don't like me. I love my life, I love my son. I love my life, I love my son.
When I come here, you know say you and your mother are the same thing. Me never see a perfect picnic so yet. Like your mama is your mother's daughter. You are your mother's own daughter. I never see you and your mama are the same thing. And you know what is the problem? It's when people start to rub out your mama, you go feel bad. But always remember, say, you encourage your mama for the internet rubber. Your mama is a liar and a thief. Your mama will help you and some gun girl for thief. It's true. Whether you like hear it, yes or no, it's a set of germs. When it's a set of germs, you know, on a serious note from heaven to earth, when it's a set of germs, people always say misery love company, and it's true. Show me your company, I'm tell you who you be. I never believe in that phrase there. I want to make it believable. Oh no, if you have a big woman like that lady, which is your mother, then me tell you, say somehow now some dog shit still, you know. Because you think me now could have my mama. You think me could have really stand up on the net and have my mama come on the net and go on with where me and go on with a liar tale from heaven to earth that could have never right before God and all mankind. Una some dirty people. Yeah, una some dirty people. Yeah. You don't know say people want to stop on the up. And you talk about you drop off of the bike, you talk alright the bike crash, you can't manage it. The bike not creep up, and you are loan damage. Alright, fine. You take the fall for the bike. You know you put your assets before we. We understand all of that. So you crash on a knife. Me just ask if you crash on a knife. Me just want to get it straight. Because when Martin sent me the video, it look like it's a punch hole. And you say you get 5 stitches. You could get more. You know, 6 stitches that you were free. And then your mama come now. Like people bad mind after she know say you're a thief. Yeah, what kind of thief things? Eh? She know say them half a one of it now same way. And she have one like she don't know, you know. You see how dirty mama like that when you tell her pity them the truth. We come and ball out people wicked and people this and them hate her son and bad. Nobody do bad mind your son. Nobody do bad mind him. Nobody. A thief, you know. Anybody bad mind him, them a thief too. Would that be good again, I said? Then don't cook your lamb chops yet. Eh? Then when you cook out your lamb chops, all your lamb chops that.
But I'm barbecuing it this morning. So now I'm about to put it in the oven and let it just handle its own business.
That's my pork chops. That's my pork chops. Lionel say I can't watch the live. If you're there Dubai or if you watch the live, eh? The cameraman say they miss you. Yeah, me a complain me like can't watch the live. Or if you watch the live and you're there Dubai, eh? I have the Dubai Wi-Fi. No Dubai and Wi-Fi, eh? Yeah, ask me what that. You wouldn't know how. Remember say when.
Hey, right now me know say the people them fed up when it come to Red Hands and Anna. You see me I say at least when it come to Anna complaining over and over about Red Hands and when him do her upon a regular. You see me I say people tell me what you think in the comment section, cause big woman thing me not go talk much on it, cause you see me if a person I go through certain rare from them man or them woman and it happen over and over again and you don't want left, them say if sick man don't care, doctor can't care. So there's nothing we can do more than just be entertained by them foolishness. So make me know what you think. Make we hear what she bother some people pertaining to Akeem and his mother, cause upon a level my people, the internet is a what would I say I know, is a place where mostly lies tell. You see me I say, so you can't know when a person I tell the truth on the internet. You see me, there are less truth tellers that we are entertained by than liars. I would say more liars than truth tellers. There are truth tellers, you know, but the way we entertained by, we don't like the lies and we are cuss about the lies, but we still are tuning into all of the lies. You see me I say, it's like watching a movie, man. So only just take it with a grain of salt. So make you watch some more.
You have to shake out a thing. My baby asked me what that. Again, ask me none of them language from my Sunday dinner. Don't be rude. Don't be rude. Now ask me like that. Put English to my dinner. Yeah, brighty. Yeah, Jamaica accept him now, so mama run out. When they did want him for penalize Naya's death, where was she? Akeem woman never out here. Akeem, me tell you say now, from me see Akeem woman, me can't like the woman. Me can't like the woman from me see Akeem woman, me can't like her. Cause me say them woman yeah, a dirty woman them yeah. Dirty woman, she like fame and popularity. More than me could I carry my woman come Troy in the Lions then I mean no, she's not Shedrack Misha and Bendigo, not to mention Daniel. No for true. No, crazy is not lie. Me not understand if me could have carry my mama come show up on the app and to how devious and evil Akeem mama is. At the part of the evil way, them dirty people, you know, where them are showcasing a people face every day. Very evil. You come up like people are badger your son. When Sky Diamond bust the secret, it changed. When Sky Diamond bust it and say them hungry and look money, them a thief. You's a dirty mama. You are a dirty mama. Dirty woman. You inveigle with your son, and if you have a daughter, you are now with that catch man same time. I saw on the woman stay. It's true. You don't give people a chance to hate your son and like the mother. You don't give people a chance. I could never, as careless and nasty and raucous as no found I have my ass. I could never bring my mother in an alliance then. We don't love one another. We don't hate one another. When your mama careless, your people can't come out to nothing in her life. Yeah, because you have a careless mother. Me hear my talk say, him left a girl for poop round him when a batty him sex. Me not understand, you just don't want no woman. Come on, if you can love a girl and she poop round you and that turn you off from her. Me not understand, only little boy. For nobody come with batty details. Yeah. For nobody come with batty demographic. Me not know who sit up. That's why me not understand how some girl are open foota go now. Only her mother knows. But sure. Me left girl for poop round me already, and that's supposed to make you manly. Eh? When you get girl back and some back with the batty hold upon. Eh? Where that say? No, simply bliss. Where that say? Eh? So me not understand what you matter about. Them boy you don't know pum pum, them boy you flexible with batty hole. You think a joke? Them boy are flexible with batty hole. Come in and know how you run up and down in a shit pit, but you hate a girl. You just don't want a girl. You just don't want a girl. Yeah? You just don't want a girl. And people still gonna say, me not put on man. That one a girl forget shit in a hole like cement. I've never farted around my man. I've never fluctuated. I've never this, I've never that. Around and I wanna support the act. No, I wanna stinking self. You can't fart on your man, then you're not your man. Then you deal with a batty man. You deal with a batty boy. No, you must deal with a batty boy. Cause me not living in my bed unconscious when I want to put. Yo! Me not bring the fart through my mouth. Me not want to put on belch instead. Stop it. That will give me a bad breath. I just feel so. Yeah. Me just feel so. I'm not doing it. So I will something a foolishness, a stupidness the matter. Then come here and come moving right along. Then Zandrama, Diamond. Well, they never realize Zandrama you come here. After you just come on the app and walk and beg friend, where your woman power there? Where your woman power there? After you class me and tell me how much me walk and bring down women and blah blah riri and t and ask the damn cow fat and the cow jump over the moon, the little dog laugh, they see such fun and the dish run away with the spoon. I only make me have the utensils in my house. What a way you come and class me only to find out that you are used diamond sickness cosar but oh she shit in a bucket. Then Zandrama you didn't really come on the app expecting say people are gonna like you and you are everybody a friend. Eh? Look how you go like you want to rub for them people and now me see you and them people I play a cut short. Eh? Shango that's sorry about this man. You know say when you ask me remember said there was a scarf up there.
You think about it now, like the people like
no, look here now. But come here. You know say policeman did that close up the tongue?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You must realize but what internet you there than you like?
Yeah.
You know like people closer.
No, you don't like it just at all. No, we don't like
me use half of the line.
yeah, me don't like it.
Half way, so we use half of that line.
Yeah.
Me don't go straight down just in case somebody
Somebody come and somebody eat you, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, good body people, it's true. No. I want me to talk about a while ago because I want to things me to talk about. Remember me a journalist? I want to news me alright. Yeah? Oh. Manny. Yeah, come here. Zandrama. Then you never know Zandri. Eh? After you come in here, your class, Diamond I tell Diamond, but Diamond know say Diamond for class about your daughter. And your daughter, Diamond for class about your man buys daughter. Yeah, diamond for tell you how you make it. I don't want the diamond and ammunition. Eh?
No, give it out.
I don't want the diamond no ammunition. I'm see how she show out from Rosealee. Then Zandrama and them people they stick me up with knife with. And them people they stick me up with knife and about 2 months ago. Back me down with knife and rob me. Sandra, no, them people, I tell you, say nobody is not friend on the app. See the woman empowerment here with the dark shit, them group up and things that them can't tear down where God build up. See the dark shit them here. Me say me that class and drama data. Don't to all dog them me that class. Yeah, me not pick up for diamond cause on the diamond deserve everything we have here. Me not pick up for diamond. But between you and diamond me I go for diamond me I go for. Yeah. Me not pick up for diamond because the whole of wanna jump up, group up. And as females, go suck your mama dirty Sandra man. Go suck your mama Sandra. Yeah, go suck your mama. Yeah, you never know. The whole of the group up and everything when me say wanna repeat. Eh, lean glasses. Yeah, you never know. You never know though. I saw it go because you know want highlight and shine. I tell them every day say we not do, we not beat out of the goodness and the art. It better me not chat to nobody if me can't tell them the truth. Me have to can't tell them the truth that you have to understand say I saw she stiff him see nothing and him feel say I saw it go. Him a go talk it so. Him a talk it as how him see it. No. Yeah, me just put diamond name in a one poem. If you know, so you put diamond name in a one poem and I saw diamond stay, diamond go feel a way about it because she thinks say you are now.
So my people, I want to tell me what they think because you have some parents me are telling you know when they come to them picnic a different thing, you know. Them we do the sacrifice for them picnic live good and live better, you know. You see me, I just saw them stay while you have some parents where them now back for them picnic and no wrong.
Cool. You're not supposed to take it to art. You're not supposed to take it to art. You're supposed to say Lord Diamond man your class, me, you know. Yeah. You're supposed to say Diamond you rub me out, you know. You rub me out. And move on with your poem. You know, say diamond class slick white line. A white slick line. You don't know the man name. I have some line with slick and white. You know, such a class him for doing it. So why things I should have spare you? Because you say woman empowerment. Gun name out your daughter. Gun name out your daughter. I tell you, say, I don't want a friend for money because I want to talk free. I want to talk free. I don't want nobody say she the hypocrite and she the can't tame me. I want no friend. I want to get tame me and friend in this. I don't even like you now. I want to can't talk my mind. I can't talk my mind, I can't slow down road and say, move, you're nasty. Why that's so cocky, man, yeah? I send my request. Alright, Mama block you. Mute you. Yeah. No, sister Winnie, when me talking, everybody say, me this, I'm a that. I'm a blah blah, I'm a baby, I'm a tay, I'm a this, I'm a that. Everybody talks, so show our farms. Everybody depend. On the boy, you always bring down woman and some things. You make ears Andrea talk out her mouth. To how you drag diamond. And through diamond I know if a class and tell you say, cause when me don't talk about your little man vice girl. When we don't talk about your man vice baby where you have a prize up. When we don't talk about your enses and your wash over where you put pan stand think of goal. When we don't talk about she, you understand me? Zandra, me that tell you how you have the baby asleep in a people house and only a fingerprint there for your picnic. Me that going hard for your little girlie that eat me and them and no over course. Them and go like she did piss out even one piglet. Them and have no picnic. Them and can't wrap up you and your child. After them and have no picnic, them and never born with no egg. Oh, So I don't know where them are hold back for the information for Anna class and that about them are be a mash up. Come on, get into Kingston now. A long time you there, you work for your citizenship. Me don't know how you know about Zandrama. Me don't know how you know about that bitch. Remember she have a name clit, you know. She used clit as dental floss. Oh, you know, say pubic hair in her teeth. You don't know how to wrap up Zandrama. When I come for Zandrama, she have to do one poem for me. Oh, because she couldn't stand up and cuss me. She have to write one poem and rhyme up things. Yeah. When I argue with Sheena, I remind her say she talented. Oh. When I argue with that bitch, I remind her say she talented. That poem she have to use. After me no use play and cuss Zandrama, me no use play. She use poem. My teacher, I say remember when you did ambitious. Yeah, so she go and she say, you see me try and do man, she dip on the fridge top, want me collapse. Want me to drop like that. Remember she have a nurse around me. I'm going to check for my lab up stuff. I'm like a data shoot. Remember suck me have to suck wood to get a nitrous safari, you know. Remember for your data suck wood from day one, you know. Remember batter after them run off. Them was the first set of Jamaicans to run off a foreign to sleep on ground. Remember Zandra can't talk to me and then teach people how to lay low. Lay low. Remember Zandra can't talk to me. Zandra drop out a theater and sleep on foreign floor. Then oh Zandra for reason with me. Remember she have backup bills at Jamaica and she have a loan them for pay so till I need drop off of the script. Then oh Zandra for talk to me. Remember me not die man, you know. Remember the whole way I come out of theater, you know. Remember that Zandra did have to act with medication because she know well. Remember Zandra have brain problem. Then Diamond never know. Then Diamond never know says Zandra problem gone. After Zandra brain's gone. Then Diamond never know all of them stuff there. Then oh Zandra for call me drunk bro. When she the only one cocky make breed and cocky make ton sodomite. Cocky break Zandra out and all. Remember Zandra never born to be a sodomite, you know, as a baby father she has spies. And he's not coming back. Tell Zandra to go find her daughter father. Tell her go find her daughter father. Her daughter wants to say daddy. Her daughter wants to say daddy. Oh, tell Zandra that she suck out the whole of theater. Oh, remember Zandra use her mouth to get script. Tiki, what I can't tell when last I see you. From Trev doing here I can't see you. Yeah. Tell Zandra so she can't argue with me. Tell her to stick to Diamond. She can't come.
Hey my people, I want to tell me what you think in the comment section, because as well Shibada say, you know what I mean, some people pick past some people, them now go for everybody, although them have a saying where say you have to choose your battles, you know what I mean. So a person will choose a weak offense for jump on quicker than somebody will match them up, or somebody will bigger than them certain way, or where we go lower than them when it comes to cussing. Because enough people on the internet me see try a lot of people and cuss a lot of people enough times, you see me, like repeatedly over and over again, and all me see Shibana most of the time I talk some things about them more while them no fart pan him, them no say nothing. Why? You see me I say, if you use a certain type of person where you adjust certain things right through, anybody will miss up or do whatever, enough fuck foolish me here like disrespect and them something them here Shibada go on with, why not attack Shibada? You're afraid of Shibata, but you're not afraid of Diamond. Or maybe because Diamond them in the limelight, you want bigger clothes, so you go after them. Everybody on the internet, my people, no matter how you see them a come and a go like them holier than thou and righteous than thou and a correct people in the mistake, mostly them go for the bigger people because them have an ulterior motive. So let me know what you think.
Mommy, cause our daughter sell crutches for them get room. Remember our daughter forget feel up for them sleep. Yeah, tell that Zandria says stranger fingerprint up on our daughter clit. Tell her that for me please. Tell her that stranger fingerprint up on our daughter clit. You carry the baby going to molestation, Zandria. Remember say that for move up and down in your family them eat you. Not even a night rest them would give you. Zandria, you curse. You curse from the family album. You your siblings, them never stand up and take pictures, so. Eh? Oh, you stand up and take pictures, so? Come and remind the people about who you be. Your family, them eat you. Your family, them make stranger fingerprint for your daughter click because they would never give a night rest. Oh, more you go up on the roof. Up on the roof, more you go. More you go up on the roof, go argue with me, because I know why you hold back on some of the words, the more you talk loud. Talk about the attitude where your daughter give. Remember she mature and she understand her age, you know. Because mommy makes you do this. Mommy makes you do that. My mama is a queen with a wounded crown. That's your daughter. Your daughter crown wounded. Move your nastiness. You can't get nobody's Zandria but your dog. And your dog, them alone, why? He's a sad sodomite. You remind me of Shamar. He's a sad sodomite. You're the perfect hippie for me as our sodomite is. Sad. You're sad. Your little daughter all full of stranger fingerprint. I pay a double finger push up in your daughter all and the peace sign. Move from here so. Remember Una alone still a struggling in 2025 but you run off a foreign from running a guan. From athlete to get them visa you are run. Me don't know how you drop out a theater. You drop out a theater from here and mash up Jamaica and all I know you're not legal. Zandria, come here. Come here, Zandria. Come here. Hurry up and come. Yeah, hurry up and come. Come and tell them about me. Say my have on a file. Zandria have bills leave at Jamaica where she not clear up. Come clear up your bills. Come pay your loan. Come balance your loan. Come balance your loan, Zandria. Oh, I want to give you a piece of my pork chops. But your daughter go want to, I don't want to advise her fine like I mean, I want to still sing like opera. You know, see, your daughter's voice in graph like pretty than underneath. It's a 2 for 1 in your daughter short. Yeah. It's a 2 for 1 in your little girl short. You're worrying daughter with you go get your daughter in a prostitution, no, you know, Zandria. Your daughter can't stop still crashes, you know. That's one country say. No man. The people in the one part of one country say, them say you have to line up and come with your tiara and your ID. Then which for the people who find tiara and ID now for collect little food. Then what a way everybody are crucify Andrew Holness. Everybody a crucify Andrew Holness now say Andrew Holness a thief. But look how long from election time Andrew Holness a thief. Then me never know say we have to come and talk. Andrew Holness said, he's not afraid, you know, of what people will say, but persons are afraid when he respond. Then what kind of undercover trick that the Prime Minister said to people? Nobody now disrespect you, the people them point out the truth. Then they don't predict it and say, you're a thief. You understand me? And if them see no move of thief where you go on, them are going to call it out. No, Andrew, the people them talk about the generation. Them say you get over 400 generator, you sell loan without explanation. Now you know the type of people them who you plan to give the generator them to lend them to. So when you use the word like loan, you understand me? Everybody got draw. One girl come up and say, when Andrew only sell loan, the people them think say, you don't have to pay like a fee. Why don't you just thinking about labor right downs, you know? The labor right girl them downs. The labor right girl them dons. Every labor right girl dons. But we're Prime Minister not right either way. We have a dons Prime Minister. One thing we know Andrew Holness isn't bright. If you listen to that man's speech, he's not an intelligent individual. He's not. He's a cunning individual. He's not intelligent. Me can't stand me can't say PJ Patterson bright. Me can't say when Siaga did around the country in bright. You understand me? Manly bright. Down to Portia who was so illiterate when they never did want to get the presidency, did have to go back to school. Me don't know how she reached her way. But Portia did reach her way. Down to she. Oh, remember them, Andrew Holness is very illiterate. He's a very illiterate Prime Minister. Very illiterate. Honestly, and I'm serious now, them jacket suit people, they look on Lisa Anna now. Me hear some people come out and talk about Lisa Anna go like she want to switch party because, you know, she said things go give one labor right man in a one parish. Go suck on a mama. Go nyam out on a big old mother. Go nyam out on the mama. Someone just want to come on the internet, come out upon a stinking mouth. This has nothing to do with party. This way I'm going and now have nothing to do with party. We are a people and we have to help one another. If Lisa Anna have a storeroom and she buy her fandangles, then put up for crisis like this, I will see coming handy. Why we want to chastise the lady for helping out PNP and JLP. It is not a party time now. So no voting Andrew there and we will say when I come back, all of the labor right them are dead now. All of them no lit no way. Yeah. See, you know, it has nothing to do with party. And if you can't say PMP and send help to JLP, the JLP help out, it simply means say them better, at least and better than the man will make the people that beat Andrew. Andrew said the man then thump for you. Wickedness. Me no wanna. I don't know. Me I'm asking the people. But that's all Andrew say.
People, may I make uno talk on the voice off in the comment section and make me know what you think when it comes to these things where the government are going with certain way, like for instance the money we might give the constituencies them easy me to the generator how them get and all these things. You tell me what you think. Voice off in the comment section. Tell me what you like or what you don't like or rare because personally me not telling you no lie. Me feel like say the people them were worse affected if get more money than that they look a bit of money they can do. You see me, because my people, me showed one video yesterday upon the video before this I wanna me share one clippings with a man show some places in a St. Elizabeth where some mansion there right on the shore of the ocean. You see me, where some damage them there all people me I tell you, them they can't fix back with no little bit of money like that. These people have to go relocate. No house can't go there so again. You know what I mean? So, more want to tell me in the comment section, my people, how you feel, what you think. Make you watch some more.
And I laugh, and she said yes. They thump us up. And I laugh, Andre. And I laugh, and I told you English like the beat up. And I laugh, I told you put the beat up in English. Me don't want to laugh for sure. Yeah. And then the politician man in a bar, I drink, no. We not laugh for sure. Wicked. The vehicle them and carry come through in them dirty fridge them where him have. Why him not do that? Because they say the check and the money where I come. Let me tell you something, people. I said this already. You say una dirty people. Let me tell you, una the worst enemy. Andrew want una for sit down in a walla, till it deplorable and you have to move from which part of this when can get the land for himself. Now let me say this, Andrew not moving with any form of urgency. No form of urgency Andrew is moving with. And this is wickedness, and sometimes you have to ask a question who you can talk to so that they can remove Juliet and Andrew from outer politics. Who can you talk to? You understand me? Andrew ain't moving with any form of urgency. We don't need a bulletin to tell us what you plan to put in place. We need to see the plan going on now. We don't see anything current. It's everything futurism. People are dying. People are dying in whatever state they are dying. The state are killing them. And you tell me, say, nobody not there. We can talk to Andrew and say, hey man, you come here. Nobody wanna stop sending no money. Jamaica no want no help. Take back on the money.
Rosealee, you say nobody no man no want me. Man fuck me and left me and no want me. What the difference between me and you, Drunko? Apart from your big dirty stinking size. Hippopotamus. Apart from a big butty bomberclad stinking size hippopotamus, what the difference between me and you? Because the last time I check, Jake's fuck you and breed you with 2 pitney and him don't want you. Darling, you're lonely and your yard and miserable. Him no want you either. The last time I check, me see you out for choke Akeem for bird feed him. Akeem no want bird feed with a stinking mouth, girl. Him sick of you. You know see a nasty stinking side, a despicable. You think you stay good? Dirty stinking girl. You feel like such a me used to have the poem and I empower you. Let me tell you something, audience, and don't get it twisted. Don't bother dropping in the comments box now and go say, oh, I can't believe you're speaking and body shaming. Bumbleclad understands that she come for me and she come for my sexuality. So when a bitch come for me go back for your big stinking dirty bitch. Who is Bumbleclad? You, Rosealee? Rosealee, you're big and scaleless and stable and spread well like a big sumo wrestler. Rosealee, I saw you sit down. I saw you sit down with you and something. I not even know if I nappy you have. Or where you sit down, so pan when the police come, I saw your blood clot sit down. I saw you sit down with your hand them fall over you, so like a big bomber clot sumo wrestler, big back girl. You can't talk to me. You come talk about what has a. You ask a question. You say what has a mouth. One on the man. I'm gonna take time and answer on a blood clot question today. I'm gonna show you say me the wrong motherfucker for no fuck with. We never know that me the wrong motherfucker for no fuck with. Me nice until me down blood clot nice. You never know big dirty stinking diamond. You don't want to invite me out. Want come out for me eat and drink with your bitch. Me not gonna eat and drink with Bumbleclad because God, Jesus already live a life of example for me. Mr. Jesus sit down and eat with Judas. When him said those who dip it in the dish with me. Let me tell you something. You know what them did want to do to me, guys? Let me tell you what the motherfucker them did want to do to me. Cause the Lord show me in the spirit a long time. And let me tell you now. And I'm gonna hear it to blood clot and understand the levels of me there. The Lord show me in the spirit. So what you wanted to do with me is to take me to, because remember son say Airbnb, you know, it's like you have a pick for Airbnb because you know they can't do people things in there. You wanted to take me out to Airbnb or wherever you want to take me go, and you wanted to give me drinks and spike me drink. And you see when I spike me drink, you know I don't me to lose control of my mind and my body, and I make me perform activities to you and I do things to me and I video it and try to silence me and discipline me and have it over me for blackmail me. Go suck on a blood clot mother the whole and pack up on the mother on top of one another and do a whole multi-RG sucking off on a Bumbleclad stinking dirty mama what have the audacity for birth the whole I know. Because just like when you tell me for suck my mama go suck back on the mama too. Me no business, me no pardon no big stinking girl mama. You have mama to Rose? You ever see my mama clean a rifle? My mama is not a suck-code. Your mama suck-code and I make move over mountain. You a big stinking dirty careless girl. Your mama take the same man cause you come out contact bitch. You come out contact say your baby father, you bow to your baby father, your mama bow him out and your sister bow him out. I soon play the screen recording them for your bitch in case you have an amnesia. Cock mouth kill cock. You a big dirty careless stinking girl. You can't come talk to me dog shit. You cannot talk to me. You can't talk to blood clot me, careless girl. You clean out the rat shit them out your dirty thinking house, your dog shit. You have a proper bathroom. I want to send down the blood clot bucket to come give you because I use the next one. You don't have a proper bathroom, you know. You don't have no Bumbleclad bathroom. Remember, so we hear on social media say, you don't have no blood clot bathroom, dog shit. You know no bathroom, you know if you shit or piss in your dirty stinking shit. Dirty girl, dirty stinking girl. What don't even know if you wash your drawers. Dirty thinking girl, a man a wash your drawers. You don't even know if you wash your very drawers. If you want water, you not even get up off your big old sour ass. You get up and get the cup of water. Big dirty thinking girl. You want some trucks? You're supposed to start a bed. You're supposed to start you know like how people lie down on a bed sore. You're supposed to sit down by your bum and have chair sore to blood clot. The way you soap and you know want to move because you're fucking lazy. Hey girl, hey, go lose some weight, you know, because you're not going to make me lose my mind and something got to lose. So lose! You dirty shit, go lose some weight. You dirty piece of shit.
Yeah, even though I mean to best that, but I never know say.
Even then that, when you see that, I never know say. You hear the demon them talk? Demons! Demons!
Man, what with your blood clot New York? I know man pray me come on, I'm so spicy.
You hear what she said? When we there in New York, the woman was afraid to come out. Guys, and this is not lie me I tell. Me say me afraid that no come in no son or bomber clock. We couldn't have friend killer or set up people life and plan people life and then I go book me and cook me a bomber clock. Come smart my love. Goodness and mercy travel with me all the days of my life. I'm ever up in the rim and gotta keep me one step ahead of you. Move on a dirty blood clot and you think you could have book me and cook me because suck on yourself. When you think I like wanna do to bomber clot Nessa and show me call it out saying great the blood clot girl. The whole of dirty thinking no come from the one group and the one collaboration and the one organization. One group of rotten dirty bungler, dirty blood clot friend, dirty bungler. You can't come chat to me. None of you can blood clot chat to me. No stink like shit. Me tell you from day one from me come on the app say me no want no blood clot friend because me no want when me dep on the app and have no friend. Me can't go talk about my bomber clot friend because I sound like all of a sudden you want to talk about friendship. Me not a pussy clot on a friend. What the fuck you ever do for me? What the blood clot you ever do for me? You don't do nothing for blood clot me. You don't do nothing for me. What the fuck you ever do for me? You come but me and look friend. Look friend for you for what? Why all of a sudden me do this out of the blues one come you and your friendship diamond? How that make no sense? How does that make any sense? Why all of a sudden all these years, all this time on social media, all of a sudden me want you? You serious? What me don't want you for? For do what? Me no want a girl who uglier than me. You see, just like how you say, you don't want no man who prettier than you, because you know you're ugly no blood clot, you know, because so you say to figure it out, so you don't like man who prettier than you. I see me no like girl who uglier than me. You're ugly no blood clot, Diamond. Diamond, you look like a hard fucking time. Diamond, you look like a hard blood clot time, like a hard asphalt. I saw you look like a hard time. You're barky and coarse and rough. You know all the filter, see the filter here? The filter rub you down till the blood clot tired and you can't fuck.
Alright my people, so this more to tell me in the comment section because a lot of times I see people like this female were educated, you know what I mean, and them stoop to certain level where me feel like say like above them. You see me I say it above them. But at the end of the day, you don't know the person, them ulterior motive, because some people come and make it look like say them discuss a certain things when all them want a clout. You see what I say? And the Bible say when it's a move from among them and be separated. So if you don't like a certain thing, move away from it. You don't have to address it, block it from out of your space. You see what I say? But as I say, my people, I take everything on social media as entertainment, and this too is entertainment, although some of the things them what she has say is facts, you know what I mean, but people are going to live their life however them feel fit to live it, you know what I mean. Some people make the fame or money control them every move, you see me, make me know what to think, you see it, because if a person move a certain type of way, sometimes you can't really judge them because you don't know their situation, you know what I mean, because where them come from make a lot of people do certain things to reach somewhere. So make me know what to think, make me watch some more.
Fucking come tough girl. You can bomber clock talk to me, big old piece of shit or shit in a bomber clock bucket, careless girl. You can't chat to me, dirty thinking girl. Between you and your man, your crutches are gonorrhea because you talk so. Pussy girl, the gonorrhea pussy girl, you can't chat to me. The man say you have gonorrhea and the man say, and the use of the man have gonorrhea. The two and have blood clot gonorrhea. You can't chat to me, girl. You see me I walk with gun? You see me I walk with blood clot gun girl? Me is not a gun girl. The state protect me. NYPD. fear that protect me. I don't walk with no gun. I don't walk with no gun. Nasty girl. I can't chat to me. All of the pussy them when me and suck, me never suck no gun around yet, bitch. You can't chat to me. You can't chat to blood clot me. You big old stinking, dirty thinking girl. You look a man fucking clown, you. Yeah? Just no, she not stop take white man. Attach she for take. You know, she not stop take white man. You think I can bother me about that? Me know me already condition my mind, baby. So now go come for me, my daughter, everybody. I don't give a fuck. Talk anything I want to talk about my daughter and me. We're confident in our blood clot self. And my God son mention my daughter. Memo to Uno, drunk or no can't give me no clout. Because until now, no don't get the blood clot clout what me and my daughter get from American Idol. That is real talent and real clout. So when you're talking about getting clout and making clout, go do your research, bitch. Because when I on American Idol with my daughter, billions of people view me. So I don't know what the fuck you're talking about clout. You can't give me clout, drunker. What is clout? You is not clout, Rosealee. You are a disgrace on the app. Diamond, you're not clout, you're a disgrace on the app. Remember say a ball over Miss Blinger and she sent for me to come advocate for you. And she asked me the other day again, you know, she asked me the other day again when the boy post up a crutches over mountain. But the situation come at me for the look of video I made do. That's why I never do it and leave it alone and steal to your bang around. I found way up in August, you know guys. I found way up in August, me posted the video there. All of a sudden in November, the girl does go come about it. You tell me now, guys. Found way up in August. Tell me say this a girl now look problem. Tell me say she not broke, she broke like a blood clot dog. And I try to look me now forget hype off her. Cause a lot of you think that is the people who have more followers are the ones giving hype. No, darling. You want to get hype off me because you don't have no issue with nobody. So you're trying to use this. So me I use back your blood clot too. 2 content gone and many more content left to come. Your poem written and sit down already. Because I end up on the live I talk about, all she can do I write her poem. Yes, bitch, me can't write it. I go write it and I go say it. Only think me now go do it because when I say it, me not on the psychology now go work with me. Cheap psychology, I'm going to do it. Yeah, me always I go come with me wriggle. You know why? Every day I come with no big pussy and no bagga. So if only can come with no loudness and no bagga and the same brawlingness and no careless business, then me can always come with my poem, darling. Because guess what? People on the app are like me as the Honorable Louis Bennett, the late Honorable Louis Bennett Coverley. You understand? That is who them are liking me to. Who them would are liking Uno to? Who would they like an Uno 2 piece of dog shit to? You're coming like a Timon and fucking Pumbaa. Let us see if I can find a picture of Timon and Bumbleclad Pumbaa. Make us see who the fuck Timon and Pumbaa is, audience. Because then we need to know Timon and Pumbaa. The little snake and the big warthog. Timon and Pumbaa. Hold on there, man. Hold on there, guys. Hold on there. Timon and fucking Pumbaa coming about me. Hold on there, audience. Hold on there. Make a edit it good. So they can just see it. Because it's a little screenshot, you know. Tell me if I know Timon and Bumbleclad Pumbaa. See Diamond, you know, see blood clot Diamond and see Rose, yeah. It's those that the back would have needed for bigger. You understand? No Timon and Bumbleclad Pumbaa this. Why the fucking Disney not can take them people them off of me? Timon and fucking Pumbaa come off of me. Come off of me, Timon and Bumbleclad Pumbaa. Timon and Pumbaa come off of me. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful day. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing grace. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's all problem free. Philosophy. Timon and Pumbaa. Rose and Diamond. Hakuna Matata. I can go back to the video. You think I'm done with it now? I'm not done with it now today. But you hear she literally said, you made it afraid to come out. Yeah, I'm afraid because you know wickedness. I'm not afraid. Who not afraid of a walker? Who not afraid of murderer? Who not afraid of scammerer? I'm afraid of who no bad. Remember say link with people at show blow, you know. Remember Rosealee a Obia Walker. Rosealee and the allegations me and me. Mama you come out come say just you fling blow off of Lisa Hyper. You're a big old dirty Obia Walker. You're a big old dirty Obia worker. You send blow off of Lisa Hyper. You know
Hey, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. Me not talk too much. Them say the words of your mouth I hit the fine. You see me I say? So, let me know what you think.
No mixture or no obia can make you lose the weight, good girl. Akeem, careful, you know, because I hear say you went after a bike. Be careful, you know, because when fox can get the grapes, then we lick you in the spiritual realm. Be careful, young man. Me know you will try to lick him in the spiritual realm, you know. You think you're easy, you know, so that boy no want you, you know, and you will try to lick the boy in the spiritual realm because I saw you're bitter, because you used to use and control Jake's head. You understand me, dog shit? I saw you used to use and control Jake's head. You're a big, careless, little dirty slut. You go come tell me about some man left me and don't want me. Man want you. The way the man don't want you, Rosealee, the man literally take your money and go buy a woman pum pum out the road. That's just how much your man don't want you. You can't imagine how you feel being a woman having a big pussy underneath you, because you come tell me about my pussy big. Rosealee, look on your size and look on my size. If you bigger than me in a body, if me have a head, your head bigger. If me have a back, your back bigger. If me have a belly, your belly bigger. Me have a pussy, your pussy bigger, bitch, cause you's a big bulk clot girl. So don't come to me, because once you start with the body shame and once you start come about my sexuality, you give me a license for dissect and body shame and reciprocate it. So me don't want no blood clot body come to me, but no woman empowerment and say, oh, I can't believe you, better blood clot believe, and let that be a warning to anyone on the fucking persons on this app. Any day you fuck with me, a same treatment you not go get. You understand? You not go sit down and fuck with me and feel like say me go sit down and behave like one Christian. Me not go behave like no Christian. Me not pay my rent. Me I go use you for pay my rent, and that's why my rent me want pay. That's why me I use you for content. And my rent me want pay. That's why me I use you for content. Yeah, that's why me I use you for content, because me want pay my rent. Remember, so we all at different stages in life, you know. Me need to pay my rent. Rosealee need to go fix up our house and our bathroom and clean out the rat shit them. Where we did see our baby father video when they leave out of the house. You understand what I'm saying? And Diamond, I think you must put on your kitchen, because I know so you used to cook on your veranda, because you did take a $20,000 and give and send you a man, because you use a man clone and a man blood clot mascot. You understand what I'm saying? So that you did bomber clot come down to big dirty thinking careless girl. You can't talk to me, you know. Big dirty sour catches girl. No, can't talk to me, you know. All of a sudden you start get local views from the big stinking dirty Diamond. Remember, so when you did over Miss Blinger platform after me done the courthouse, and me turn on and a big money for you. Remember, you know, we put it at $1,000. Miss Bling said $500 for she and $500 for you. You remember? Yes, dog shit. Say thanks, bitch. You never do nothing for me yet. You never do nothing for me. And me feed you, and me open my mouth, my big mouth, when I talk about no what's me use and suck pussy. Remember, say not only pussy alone, me use a mouth and suck. Me use a mouth too and beg money for your damn dog shit. Because I since figure it out, pick you up with the series, you start favor somebody and start going for you. And you start a little tricklings, and I start to hype your dirty thinking blood clot self like you're somebody. You are nobody. You are nobody. We don't have a problem on the app every minute, everywhere. Long time big woman, Bumba Wall, Nanny of the Maroons was a long time big woman. Louise Bennett was a long time big woman. I am a long time big woman. Nisha will never be a long time blood clot big woman because she's dead. Age is an honor, bitch, and not enough on the naga Bumba clot. Get it, can't walk too much pussy clot. Obia. And the hobby them were Rosealee walk at Jamaica while Melissa pin round so and do the place. So I pity say I never in a see you lick pan fair blood clot house. Yes, and the obia them where you walk, Rosealee, the obia them where you walk, because you know grudgeful, you know want people to make money on the app. Rosealee, your bad mind. Rosealee, you can't make up your mind, you know. One moment you want Akeem, one moment you don't want Akeem. One moment you say Akeem are the nicest person, and then the next moment you on TikTok liar say my batty man. You mix up, carry go back on blood clot foot, so you stay. I saw you stay, your mouth turn two way like a two-mouth cutlass. I saw you stay, dog shit. So me not expecting you to say nothing good about me. If you not say nothing good about your baby father, I'll open me a big stinking pussy and breed you and give you 2 pit in them. And me, you go say something nice about? Dirty thinking girl. Remember, say crosses depend you and demons depend you. No thinking girl. Remember, you beat your mama, you know. Dirty thinking Rosealee. Remember, say your girl will beat your mama. Demons depend you and curse I go depend you like the fig tree. Yes, Nobody feel like such you get few little shillings span the app, a blessing you get. Remember Judas said getting 30 pieces of silver to dog shit. Me not read no comments, me not validate on it with no comments. Type whatever you want fucking type. A phone finger. Work for me, bitch. The more I type, the more TikTok realize the live I be engaging. Me is a business person, you know. This is how you do content, guys. You use them. Use them for content. Guys, follow up my page, please, and thanks. Me I look clout and more followers.
Tomorrow name over here, blood clot leave. Lift up from over here. Where you say? Rachel now working in chat. What? We blood clot moderator then they. It no look good, but me never trouble them. Me never trouble them. Me never trouble them. So me if you pick up for girl. Me if you pick up for girl. How with the blood clot this? So me, if you shut my mouth and make girl war with me. Talk it truth. Talk it truth. This girl text on my phone. She said me if take her out of the group. Me say me not take you out of no group. If you want to come out of the group, come out of the group yourself. You're no blood clot handicap. Click on the name. Go down at the bottom. You see exit. You see disconnect. And you see report. Go report the blood clot. Go report the group and come out of the group. Come out of the group. You understand me? Me not loyal to no girl. Say any girl come over here talk about say me no loyalty. Go suck out to no real mama. Me not loyal to no girl. A 13 message Ida Gem send me. 13 message and me no answer. Because if me and you used to friend and me rate you, me can't cuss you. But she sent me one message yesterday. And the message that she sent me yesterday get me ignorant. And me answer back. Me finally answer. After 13 message, me finally answer one message. 13 message this girl send me. And me not PR no mind. Because if me rate you, me rate you. Me can't style you. Me can't cuss you. Me I go pick up for you if me rate you. But if you go style me, I go style you back. Me no idiot. If you, after 2 last night, Ida Gemma post about me on her status. After 2 last night, she post about me on her status. Me did trouble her? Eh? Unstoppable. Me ask you a question. Me did trouble her? Eh? Me did trouble her? Me did over here say nothing bad about Tamara. For Tamara, the part of her life I tell me about suck my mother. Tomorrow you're ugly no mug, no jacket, no blood clot plug. Stop hide behind the camera and show your real face. Make people them see what you look like. Cause since I don't can class me, don't me can class you know. My mouth not dead with my mother. My mother dead 5 years now. My mouth never dead with her. You no lick no blood clot head over here. You no sick. You no sick. My mouth not dead with my mother. Eh? I buried my mother 5 years ago. My mouth not dead with her. What you think? You know I go class me and talk about me and me not go answer you know? Eh? Tamara, you never go #1 in a Hakeem bubble yet. You never show up in a Hakeem bubble yet. You never show up in a Rosealee bubble yet. If you're not kickbacks, somebody not know you.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. I don't talk too much, I can watch some more.
If you're not kickback, somebody not know you. Because you buy out argument, you know. You see him in the gym, come over there, come class you. And come up in a box and defend me. And send me all I screen recording them on over there talks about me. In the gym, the same one and send them come give me. And I in the gym, you're having your box this morning. I defend in the gym. I buy out people argument and I defend in the gym and I tell me, nice clean blood clot me for suck my mother. Eh? Nice clean me. You tell for suck my mother tomorrow. I may not have nothing. Go lick out your real mama and your batty man father. Cause you buy out argument. So since I buy out argument, we are going to sell it to you. You can't look at me because you're ugly. You're ugly. You hear them with blood clot dazzle if you look at me, girl. You're ugly. Come from behind this. the scenes. Blood clot Chucky, come from behind the scenes. Make the people them see what you look like. Come from behind the screen. Can you buy your people blood clot argument? The same either gem a screen record everything what you say over there and send it come give me. The same either gem where screen record everything what you talk say over there send come give me. And either gem you having on your box this morning I defend. And I come tell me suck my mother. Go suck your real mother. Cause me never trouble you. Me never trouble you no. Tamara come from behind the camera. Cause me see your people them over here. Tell her if you come from behind the camera, me couldn't see her. All of you have her on WhatsApp. Tell her if you come from behind the camera so you can see her. Tell her. Because she said me suck pussy tomorrow. If me suck your pussy, me kill myself. If me suck pussy, me kill my... If me suck your pussy, me kill my blood clot self. Say, God, up on the 12th floor, me there. Me jump off of the building here. You can't shoot. You're ugly. Yes, that me say. Yes, unstoppable. That me say.
Jack, me no shooter.
That me say. Yes, unstoppable. That me say.
Shot Tamara no shooter.
Yes, that me say.
Just used to walk and shoot for my people. Them come used to do going up match. Guys, I'm not shooting camera. While I'm a chat.
That me say. When I run come over here with a fake page. When I run come over here with I don't think I'm afraid. Me not afraid. Me not afraid. Me not afraid. Me bad by myself. Me not afraid. Me I give the message for no carry it back.
And then people come shoot them.
Me see the whole I know go over there in a box and attack. Me go no the message so no carry it back.
Some big gift and carry my back. Me no shoot a pussy. Say the things that me there I forgot about the Rosie and Akim. Something.
You get what me say? So everybody were over there, you over there by your blood clot argument. Me did I go down the road?
Excuse me there, chat.
Unforgettable. See what unforgettable there in the box over there. I don't know if for you. I mean I really care for you neither. Cause me not gonna make sake of me stop talk. Everybody ever talk about say me fit done. Why not tell Tamara say Tamara, the two of them did on the same team. You don't know what them sit down and chat about Tamara don't buy out them argument. Why would not tell her that? Why would not tell her that? To their blood clot war there. To their war there. To their war blood clot there. Tell them anybody who not understand the assignment to their war there. Are you them not use? Are you them not use? You them not use. Cause you gonna never know what Tamara look like. You gonna never know what Tamara look like. You're over there in a box of chat. You gonna never know what Tamara look like. Cause Tamara buy out people argument. I saw no get validation. I saw no get validation over here for buy out people argument. I saw no get validation over here for buy out people argument. Me and this girl used to depend on the same team. You don't know where me and this girl chat about. But you take side with this girl and chat about of things. The same girl, you know, where screen record everything what you're saying and sending at the group, you know. The same girl, you know, where screenshot and sending at the group, you know. The same girl. The same girl where screenshot everything what you say and putting at it. Go suck your mother's Sparta and lift up from your son. The same girl we class you like a dog, Tamara. The same girl class you like a dog and send the whole of the screen recording them in the group. Everything we talk about over there, she sending in the group, come give everybody. And the same girl you having at the box. You see me? This morning, I buy out people blood clot argument. Why? Why? You never say, either Gem, young God bless you to depend on the same team, you know. So young God bless, go have no differences, no, go click your life for God bless. Why you never say that? No, you're glad for buy out argument. And the whole of we are Judas. The whole of we are Judas, because the whole of we chat and class one another pan ya. Yeah, that me say you fi do. Turn on your camera. I that me say. Me send the message, me glad you get it. I that me say turn on your camera.
She not still not ready for pussy. I don't know what she come with.
Turn on your camera. Cause you don't love buy out people blood clot argument. You don't love buy out people argument. You don't love buy out people blood clot argument. Girl run up in your box. You see him girl where chat this and a chat that. You see him girl come over there come say, God bless, come out of them box. Come out of Tamara box. Because them over there and them did a class, yo. Them over there and them did a class, yo. Come out of Tamara box. Come out of Tamara box. As she open your box this morning and you pick blood clot side. Yeah, what you judge? You judge? You pick blood clot side. You judge? Eh? Me bad alone Tamara. Me not have to do box. You know how much people want to come up? And me not let them up. Come a bad by myself, Tamara. Me not have to keep box to talk about people. And me not do this. If people not talk about me, nobody not hear my mouth. Eh? From 6 to 6 this girl a post status about me. From 6 to blood clot 6. Send me how much in message and me not use her. Me not look on her how much message she send me and me not answer. Me avoid her. Me avoid her because I realize that she sneaky. Every day she da church pan pulpit. Every minute she da convention. A two side to a story. Two side to a blood clot story. And you I go talk things about me and I tell me suck my mother Tamara. What you know about me and my mother? What you know about the loving relationship with me and my mother have before she did? Eh? What you know about my loving relationship with me and my mother have before she did? Eh? You go tell me suck my mother. You have a mother for suck?
On TikTok that you're doing church and I scream out and I go on. Me not do that. Me go a real church and praise real God. While you on TikTok I do the opposite. So what's the point? What's the point in you showing them say me I text you 100 times and you not look woman and you not look this? Me not look woman either. But talk from the beginning that Akeem block you. I did a screen recording. Put it out there. You're upset. Now, the day before that screen recording, you were upset because I said, leave Akeem alone because you want Akeem jump in and car and go give away food. And the hurricane just passed. I know him and a Superman. And he was doing exactly that. You had a problem because he was playing match. You have a problem with this. You have a problem with that. You go and you research and you dig down in a rose skin and you do all of these different things. I always go to church. For the time, I want to be honest with me. You never see me in a no box. You ever see me in a no box at all. I talk to anybody more than me record and me gone. But she wanted my page to be the screen recording page to come inform to her. So I said, okay, all right, let's do that. When me screen record, me send it to her.
Hey, Carly.
So and so and so. See one page I talk about you. See one, I'm gone on my business. There's nothing there. I don't need to sit down and hear you talk this nonsense. It was never about woman empowerment. It was about you taking what you could get.
Good morning.
Auntie. Good. Hi, mama.
I am weak. You're not strong yet. You're weak.
You're not weak.
Good morning.
Alright, my people, more ask the question. I see like the woman them will love the mix up and the passa and the cussing. How them man deal with them? Like me just want to know, cause me never have a girl will love cuss and them something there. You know what I mean? Personally, me not feel like say would the two get along. Like if a such is there, we always there with woman we kinda quiet in a way. You know what I mean? Not really none of voice quiet in a, but them not in the whole heap. You mix up or something. Me not like that. You see? But tell me what you think, my people.
Carly's.
Good morning, ladies. Sexy JJ. Good morning, to you guys.
Good morning.
Let me tell you something. I'm going to say this right here, so I want to say this, me done. Let me tell you something. Right now, I am hurt. Why?
No, nothing wrong. You're supposed
I'm even going to go there. But let me tell you something. I appreciate you, ladies. You hear me? I appreciate you, ladies. Hidden Gem.
Oh, you already?
I want you to vent. I know all the ladies is behind you. I am behind you 100% because they are behind me. And I love my ladies. Nothing what you're saying is not lie. I just want you to know that. But what I'm saying, I didn't get permission from my girl to say it. So anytime if she said yes, then I will say what I have to say. My girl knows.
I'll say a good clean mode, Carly's. I'll say a good clean mode, Gally.
Okay, but Eden, I want you to finish off talk. If with all your girls are with you, I am with you just the same. Okay? But you are not telling any lies. And I appreciate and I love you guys. I love this because let me tell you, I am real and I know my girl are real. I know. So just listen, just make us keep it continue to being real. It hurt me because I don't know what is going to happen going forward, but at least I can fly. My wings are, I'm telling you, because of you girls. And I thank you. Thank you guys.
Carlos, if there's anything you want to say, just say it and done. No matter beat around the bush, mama. Just say it and done. Please. Not everything. If you don't want to, you can keep it because at the end of the day, whoever you wanted the permission from said talk with your clean mouth. You understand what I say? So if you have something to say,
you have something to say.
you know me not put my motor going on attack. So if you have something to say, just say it, my love. Just say it. We're up here in my box. What is this? I'm coming down.
I don't want to make her run out of the box. So don't come on for live now, man.
You have to send me a lion. You have to send me a lion. Before you come out of the box.
Me combo, me brother. That's why me add you. Come. Big head. You not get better yet. You not get better. You up there, calf. You not get better. Calf, please, man. Calf.
Please. Want to stop. Want to stop, yeah?
Stop, you know. Me stop, yes. But me just a beg on something because me batty man husband I go run me out.
Yeah, you see I show shit. Stop, no, me a beg on you. Wanna stop.
Put something. No, me not take nothing serious. But big up on yourself. I just want to say thank you guys. And Carlos, you know say we love you. You know this, but you know say when you meet we, me just talk. Out and me no brush my teeth, man. I swear to God. But anyway, besides the point, I don't know we're not taking nothing serious. I need cause there's something I know. Need to lose £1 million. Carla, JJ, big up on yourself,
guys.
Anyone out there. As where Rosealee would say, anyone of them will big up on herself, even though in her box, you know. From the minute Carly came on the platform, you know so we love you. If you have nothing to say, but the little fly by day, pitch by night woman, say it. No, so everybody can know, but that things you lie me and tell upon the woman will love to steal and destroy people's happiness. Please, me I beg you, me I go mute.
You know, say nothing in a lie, but me not go say nothing. But you're not telling a lie. Everything you say true.
Alright, guys, this is I'm gonna tell you what it is that's supposed to be said that nobody wants to say. Send a lion, send a uni, send a puss, a cat, a rat, a dog, and then me say it. Okay. Sweet, you know?
You're not gonna say
money.
So move.
But just I try help Eden get out her body, man.
Well, we're not saying anything because what she said to me, she about to become homeless. And
guys, wait a minute, my daughter just lost another tooth. Oh my goodness.
So that means I'm enough to talk.
No talk, you have to talk, you have to talk. You have to talk because me want hear, because me never hear this talk.
Alright, serious, put for that joke aside. When she spoke to me, she sent me a text. She said, oh God. She asked me. And I'm doing this because of my team. And I thought I was a part of a team, and I thought I was a part of a family, which I am. It's just that things do happen, and I love what happened because nobody being a hypocrite. When she sent me the text, she said to me, I said need something, apparently need send her something because when I get my first paycheck, I'm obligated to send it to need to let need know what is what because we have a conversation behind the scene. So I send it to Need. I send the first and the second. Then after that, then I get a call. After the call, I hit
not actual money, people. Not actual money. Just a picture of the check.
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think in the comment section. We'll watch some more.
Check. Thank you so much.
The person said they're becoming homeless. And they don't have any money to do such and such a thing. And reach out to her and said to her, she can come and stay with her, but based upon a family issue, she don't want to go where Reach is, so she becoming homeless and she need help. I said to her, what kind of help you need? Based upon the situation with me and her, you know I'm going to help her because I was on her platform, and because of her platform, I can get Need. God used Need to help me with you guys. So I said to her, okay then, I am going to send you such and such. And she said, okay. Thank you. Then she called me and she said to me, say, if I can send it to Western Union or MoneyGram. I said, I don't use MoneyGram or Western Union. I only use Ria. And from then, I spoke to my confidant, and I see some little things, and I stay behind the scene and continue to talk with my confidant. And that was it. And I was so heartbroken. And then Tony told me the same thing. And she called me and Tony said to me, Carlos, did this person call you and said this to you and said that? And she says, and she said, listen, do not give this person your money because it seems like it's a scam. Which my confidant already told me, do not do it. So hidden.
Carlos, you never tell your confidant the part there?
No. Let me tell you the next one to tell you herself. Say best if you didn't hear from she herself, but I'm just saying it now. You understand?
You know, so everybody don't have my number, right? Okay, thank you.
So all of that too. You understand? But even as you speak today, and we as your sisters, we got your back. I would love you to not carry it further. I would love you to finish.
No, me finish, you know. Me did finish, but me did just get emotional when Athena said no look good. Knowing say me know what me know, and me I try to get it out there so she can stop. You know what I mean?
That made me too. And it really hurt because if you are part of woman empowerment, I know you guys help me. You see what I was going through. You guys know what I was going through, and for this to happen, it hurt. It truly hurts. I'm telling you the truth. It really hurt. And then when I look behind and I see a different logo and I see a different, she told me that Eden asked her for money for the logo, and Eden tell Reach go suck out her mother, and Eden do a lot of things, and she asked the team to remove the logo.
No, but most of us removed the logo long before she said anything.
Yes, she said she asked him to remove the logo because of what.
No, I know really we she did ask still because the Thursday when whatever jumped off in the WhatsApp group, me, Need, Carla, and Lady Shady, we changed the logo. But everybody else was wearing it. It was long after now when the argument come about the money for the logo and whatever, then everybody changed them logo. She told everybody else to change their logo.
I look good boy, I mean I understand, but
Murder.
All we need is love. You got it. All we need is love.
I knew from the get-go. You see, you have to listen to learn. I'm been there listen. I just know. So it never wrong. But you see, again, people go always be people. People go always be people.
It's not wrong. But you see, all these ladies that I'm talking to, I don't know. I don't know you, but all these ladies, I know they're truthful.
You're not gonna know me by this logo. You might know me from the other logo.
Just recently, they're part of the ladies. But you see, these ladies, let me tell you, these ladies make me feel like me I'm billionaire. So I know these ladies, they talk their mind, they tell you how they feel, and they let you know as it is. If you're not for it, go. So I believe.
Because a lot of people don't like take the truth. People don't like the truth, you know. When they don't like the truth, you're not gonna want to stay when you hear certain things. Because people love negativity. That's why I always tell people, if me and your friend and me do something wrong and you cannot tell me that I'm wrong, we are no friends.
Yeah, that's why I love them.
We don't know friend at all. And this is why I said to Eden, I say, listen, why God bless in the first place never explain to the team members what really transpired, why she asked for money. She's painting the narrative as if she just get up out of the blue and say she want money for the logo.
So she
not everybody they run with
homeless.
that.
Sexy
My
jayden.
love, I don't
She's
know.
not becoming homeless.
Oh,
The boss.
Alice, let me tell you something.
Murder.
No, say.
The man is home. Can y'all stop? Please, thank you. The man is home.
Let me tell you this truthfully. Me no know nothing about that. You see, certain things I'm always kept hidden from.
In the dark.
Me always in the dark. Me always in the dark. And them
She a missed the point. She a missed the point. That's what me I say. She a missed the point because we are talking about Akeem and we are talking about Rose. You are talking about Sham. Sorry, baby. Cause me and your friend in real life, you know. Queen say he not send no more gift because Rose and Akeem not do nothing with the money. And you dey on phone and show the woman, you and the woman a talk on FaceTime, and then you go tell me say you there Canada and the woman there somewhere else. Talk with the woman there. When you go over there go tell her say which part the woman there when you dey on FaceTime and you show the woman black yard. Go over there go tell her say me say that quick and fast. So she can talk. Cause we not talk about Batman, you know. If Batman breed me, I give me pitney, at least me not pay. I am responsible for me. Go over there. Go on over there, go tell her that. Cause all she talk about is two Batman and papers. Both of them a story they steal. Nobody no business with papers. Tell her say me say the FaceTime when she did depend with zoo owner and I show zoo owner black yard and she show people it. Tell her ask her if you talk about that party. Tell her say me say that.
And she see a one select in the box. God bless. Yes. God bless. Yes. Don't make sure them come over, come go let them want run your platform.
That is still news. I will always say that. And we just talk about it over Bacchus Canada. Still news that.
And they need say if you nobody when on a badge can talk to me. If you don't have if you can't shoot a money gun and then guess what? Need go over there go clear.
That may I say because when you talk about papers, it look half a we over here now have nothing. Half a we come a foreign and we have nothing. And you know what matters worse? You know what matters worse? She over there and she don't have none neither. So why are you trying to talk about somebody's personal life when you're not in a better position? What are you trying to do?
Alright, my people, so I don't talk too much. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Make watch some more.
What are you trying to do? Cause we now go down the road there. We are talking about the fact say you say you sleep with zookeeper. You say your zookeeper rub crutches. You say zookeeper come visit you. You say zookeeper have black yard. You say zookeeper top shoot for Akeem. You say zoo owner a matter of fact nah give Rose nothing. So that's why zoo owner shoot against Rose every night. That's why zoo owner shoot against Akeem every night. And that we are talking about. Oh you reaching away me? Oh you reaching on my life?
10 o'clock at night.
Talk about what you sent to me. Where you talk about me said, show your partner fool girl. Cause me not show one part, no, me show two part. Show two part. Exactly, Tammy.
Me don't need no water.
You cannot show when me I say and you not show. And look at my pretty face against fear one. Look at my pretty face against fear one. Look here, Kuya. Watch her show me. Watch my pretty face. Look at my pretty face against fear one. I shut up, but she not in my league. Talk about face card can't decline. That's your problem.
Look how much my sister send me.
You're back on. You're decide that.
Me like girl, me can't cuss girl.
Play the voice note them when me this, you know. Play them. I play the voice note them. Make the people them hear. Play the voice note them. More I don't hear what she say now. Cause me a record. Of course I am, baby girl. And she is so. I'm gonna tell her how she steer. Her self-esteem is so low. That's the reason why she a try for safeguard and I try. Oh, Akeem I try for style Rose and me don't like that. Akeem I try style Rose. Akeem I do this because she's so insecure to the point where she don't even love herself. She don't even love herself, yo. So that's the problem. So she want to put herself in a Rose shoes now and I say, me no want nobody style Rose because that's how people did style me too. Everything where Rose tell her say, she try to come alive to come get clothes off right and I add to it. And I add to it.
And she a try build bridge between people.
You're idiot over so. When everybody you try going at their inbox and I tell them what to do and that's why the group mash up and that's if you talk. Ear ticks. That's all she can show, you know. Show the rest of text them, not fool girl.
I'm a change the logo because that wasn't the agreement. You're a team. True. I guess I have a contribute a time to make some logo for the team.
I want to show the rest of the text them because she show one text. Show the rest. And play the voice note them when me done you. Coming on time for this.
Everybody change the logo. When you change the logo, who want to keep it. But me now go keep
She said, for sure, say we are back on belly right. She said we are back on belly right. Look, I say we sit down and talk. And what we say woman empowerment. One if something she did a chat. And then when time she say when I enter the live, she change her mouth. But moderate, because she still a try to make it look like say the team together, you know. She over there talk the same foolishness, Evan. The same foolishness, so yeah.
After 13 messages.
Me say a 20 message, me da go send her chat. I send some more time message when me send because I want she answer me. Because she need an answer because she afraid because she don't know what me know. And we send her more again and that's me just send her, just a done her and she not answer. She want to come click live if come get gift and that's the problem.
And she gonna make me know say she me not to use the logo for
And that's what I said. That's what I said.
And she called me fool and I suckles my answer.
So what? And wow. Yes, you say you're dumb. We are talking about Akeem and Rose and what?
Answer because she called me fool. So
you are. Talk about the beginning. She started about yesterday chat. At the beginning, we start from in a chat. Me say chat. Go over there, go ask her. Let me hear what she say. Ask her. Me did a record, but come me that chat. You should not go answer. Shakita, that me I tell you. And Sophie, thank you, baby. Thank you. Oh, Shakita need says she need yeah, she call her name need. You so long me do over your chat. I mean not fast to nobody. But because this girl I try to scam people and me find out and then me say to her, say, girl, here we go. X, Y, and Z. Goody turn round it for me and tell the whole team say if you take off the logo because I want money. So me I say, girl, all of the money where you beg people. All of the money where you beg people. If me ask for money for logo, you could have given me one money, but that's not the point, you know. But everybody has a grow on it and I say, not everybody, but who know. I say, but it not come talk about or she want money for logo and a volunteer, she volunteer. So me say, alright, since me volunteer for the logo, chat, tell me now. Me volunteer for logo and as a team we say woman empowerment. When things are going and you empower women, don't, if you beg for yourself, you know, can beg and say, behind my back and say, you know, say the girl that make 2 logo and we want to bless her up, do shoot her a money gun, rare. That somebody open my eyes to that and I say, that them would do. Zine, that done. Me reach out to her and me say, yo, me not understand what I go on, because me say what me say and this done and that done. Hey, girl, this, that, my personal life coming at it. All my personal life reach in a me and you had a difference. I like Akeem, you don't like Akeem. Why my personal life reaching out and why I make it turn around like a logo when Akeem block you and me share my screen record the live and post it. Akeem block you. What if Akeem block you? Why and you tell everybody if you go over Akeem go over Akeem go tell her tell himself unblock me because me I go shoot for him. And the girl talk about say she shoot pan her back up for Akeem. Chat. The girl now no money pan him back up can card now walk. In card now walk over him backup page. And in backup page never shoot over the camera always over Akeem. You hear the girl? Me can't cuss with her because she not even say what me want her if you say me so me can't cuss you if you not talk the right things them. God bless. God bless you. You have to talk the things that you can't talk my personal business and expect me to cuss with you because as you say you tell me what you want tell we. As a woman empowerment team, ladies, let me tell you something. I'm gonna be real intelligent now. I'm gonna go to school, you know, my dear. If you have a team, right? If you have a team and you say, okay, I'm going to do woman empowerment. If something goes wrong and the ladies or men or whoever is in the team, whatever team you join, and the team members are not with what you're saying, are you gonna go against it and then after you say what you say, then you want to be alright with it? No. Okay. Something happened. I screen recorded Akeem talking about her. I posted it. She was mad about it. That's after the hurricane. She posts in the HQ group, she want respect. Everybody in the HQ group say, what you want respect for? Because we don't understand this. It could have been squashed from there because the HQ group was saying, God bless, talk what is going on because we don't know what you're saying. Me don't mean nothing. Me just say we want respect and we have rules of the group. Remember I say hurricane just flatten Jamaica, you know. Why you come in a HQ and talk about rules of the group? Why you send voice note at her about, hey, but with these people, you know, but with these people, the rules of the group don't have nothing to do with hurricane. But she vexed because I tell herself, Lego Akeem shirt because she want Akeem go jump in Bima or in Benz or in drop top or whatever I have for go give out food. The same day when hurricane go on. I'm want to tell me which part I go wrong. We are so when me say to her, say, Lego the man shirt because the man a gather up money. Uno depend the live and see when Akeem a gather up money. Uno depend the live and see say Akeem a gather up money for go away, for go distribute things and the girl a pressure the man over HQ. And me run out and say, yo, Lego the man shirt, the man will give away some stuff. Why not leave the man alone? She jump down, respect this, respect that. So me I say, miss, how this fall in place because we are talking about something that makes sense. Why are you gonna send a voice note directly to me and I'm not supposed to say nothing? Right? So when me address the voice note, me send her some long voice note and I say what me have to say, hold on guys. Let me see if me find it. Come me black card out. Me send her some long voice note and I say what me have to say. Zine, and me say, girl, me know say me ya talk and me know say you not like the boy a long time cause you shoot a shot at me, but me tell her something, me not afraid of you. And me start and me go on with her and she say, oh.
And then you come in at the night and a ball. No, bitch. You never win, you're sad. You're sad cause me in an argument, we cause we say what we have said to each other. And in the night are you that I cry? Me sure no say when you see me do over here so I make my money and I sing my song them and I go on with myself. Oh you for win
Alright my people, we run through this quick and fast, you know what I mean? The rest of this I run through quick and fast, so let me know what you think in the comment section, make you watch some more.
I end up a ball over the same man where you argue with me over. Make it make sense. Plus you're lonely cause you got 2 kids and none of them know they run you. You're sad, you're lonely, you're clever man. How can you be winning? Oh, you have to win the war there. Oh, even if me never did argue with you, you still could win the war because you cry. Like you dead ass, like you cry. Poor thing. You cry. Make it make sense. Then you have the fucking audacity now for come live yesterday after everything done. You have the fucking audacity for come yesterday and be like, oh, can they teach me a wallet about TikTok, you know? Can they teach me a wallet about friend on TikTok? Like, bitch, apart from my name now and done, what you mean by me come round you to watch you because you have clout and then come back on the media come talk? Why the fuck you blame me for your nastiness? Why you not come and say, why you not do some self-reflecting? Sit down and say, boy, you know, say a true candidate I go, you know, say me have to go angle myself more as a big woman. Me have to go put on them dirty behavior, yeah. Why you not say that? No, you come and I say, because you flood out the people them villa, you bung up the toilet, I'ma come tell everybody I am the bad person. Why you not look into yourself and say you should do it? You're a big woman. Why you blame somebody else your nastiness? So that means you're not gonna ever stop nasty. You're not gonna stop my name again. I said my teacher listen and this and that. Girl, you're sad. Like leave me the fuck leave me alone, charge me not trouble you. Like me not see you, me not trouble you, me just deb out. Right, girl, right now, me there a try. Me dead ass. Me and my go west and put on a bag of weight. I me no want to end up look like you. And that alone has stressed me out right now. Come wake up with a tight, fat, smell good pussy with a pretty face. And me just hit me and my go away. Me need help. Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me alone. Me not trouble nobody. Me not trouble you. Only thing me do, me just come for my life, sing me look fuck Chris song them when me and sing, get me look gift them and go me bed. Bobo people teach you to do this and people teach you to do that. Wanna make me know, can they make me know enough to go around people? Can they make you know enough to go around people and be nasty? If you never come trouble, go tell nobody say you bung up them toilet and flush out the whole of the villa. And yeah, I saw your vomit, I say you drink. You just drink back the vomit. Would come tell nobody? And me can't come tell anybody because me wasn't no close friends either. Cause me see some getting some comments, oh, that's why me no want no friend, you know, because some of them are gonna come talk. Me and Rosealee wasn't no friends. Me simple, first of all, I was there. Who wear prize? Me just want to know where prize. Oh, chat me done her. Chat me done her door. And me window and in the night you cry. Just leave me alone. Don't say nothing about me. Don't call me name. Stop calling me name. You're obsession right now. And then people will be like, oh, Candy, you can done this now. Like me a trouble her. Bro, me no business with Rosealee, bro. And you be like, oh, you have money, I know you're rich. Like, nigga, at least make us say you have money. You look nasty. You look stink. Like, you look stink. Even when you're here, they just have a stink look. Like get it together. Because me coulda never rich. Coulda never have money. Because me know a girl when I have money and them look friggin' good. Like, them look good and them smell good and them put themselves together. Me know a girl when I have it like you and me, and them look better that way. Put together. Like, bitch, get a hold of yourself. Get a hold of yourself. Stop calling up my name. Leave me alone. Come on, like, one of other things that if you worry about that, if you it wrong for the cream will come out of my pussy white. Yes, if it was a case now when me and fuck and when the whiteness a come out, it ball up and cracky up and cheesy up and in a ball and in us miley. I could have said, boy, I just know so many catch a yeast infection. I'm going to fuck the boy, say, make you know, say, my pussy, yeah. But, bitch, a cream a come out of my pussy. Pretty cream. Pretty cream. Nice, pretty cream. I come out of my pretty pussy. Okay, I could have never said my pussy click long down when I bend down for piss it to pick up dirt. And you could have never say cream when you come out tight. Yellow. Since you're in yellow and mine white, it's supposed to white. You hear me? It's not supposed to green, yellow, pink, nor blue. It's supposed to white. And when it clear, when no color at all, no day, you're ovulating. So mine, how you fucking can you will breed. Okay?
If you ever, me tap you on your lip. How me make mistake and call for your name, vex.
Nobody know me name, a diamond me name. Me not have a second name.
Diamond.
You all already know me name. Me never call you.
Alright, my people, seeing, me know in the comment section, seeing that me see Daima chef up on something, and we know so Daima can do her thing in the kitchen. Like, if you date a female, tell me one thing she have to come with. Like, this thing, if she don't come with nothing else, she have to come with this. You see me I say? Like, for instance, financially secure, she can quint it, she can cook, she love to clean. Just let me know one thing where a female have to come with, cause one thing me say, a female African cook, no people. You see me? Sometimes we bypass that still if a female secure financially, you know what I mean? But me feel like say that you can cook, yeah man. We can't hire maid and them something there. But me feel say a female if can cook. You see me? Although me can do me thing still, me feel like say a female to come that way there. And plus me want to ask you this, in a Jamaican household, who are the best cook? The woman or the man? Let me know in the comment.
Everybody knows your last name. That can.
So how you call me? Let me hold on my name now.
Where know your name? Your name is Kamala Sal.
My last name is?
I don't really know your last man. I don't really know your front name, but just in your last. So you ask it to me.
Yeah, just call my last name.
Make sure for your last name with you.
Okay, I met the comment section with my last name in our chat now. I know them fast and turn already, you know.
But everybody know you. Yeah, I.
So we can make a short and keep that fun. Oh, so much help, man. Shawnee, eh?
I will take charge of one of them. You know, one of them look cardian of you. Or a female.
Boy, you miss searching? No, my name Rosealee. I came named Jet Lee.
You know, so the rich name, remember say?
What?
Rich
no talks up on you like, hey, hey, be a beggar. I'm not rich.
Beggar?
I beg for your living, you know.
Yeah.
Somebody in the chat this morning say, I saw begging nice, so what you do with X6? That's the boy, yeah. They say, my friend lend me. Yeah. But I saw begging money nice. Me not have no money chat, me not have no car or nothing. Everything on the same way that my virgin lend me. Cause my virgin tell me say good publicity sell. So as me said, the dog just give me 3 car them and say, yo, figure, go on a road. You see, pray? Yeah. But a regular, my occupation, me sell like fowl and them thing, them me thief 1, 2 goat, one. Like how Christmas I come, me thief 2 goat and sell 30 grand a piece, you know? Cause I want to look at young and out I buy me. You see it, so cow kind of hard for thieves still, you know. You have to fling cow in a truck, me not in a truck, you know. That's what I say, so you see you goat them now, we can just fling them there in a car chunk and just boogie. You see me, when Christmas I come on, I want me like that, you know. And Daima get me in. Daima said, show me an iron a day, she not give me nothing. So, you know, one time when Daima would say, yo, see her allowance, she not give me nothing, a blood clot.
How one time you think me here? That you try to say? What do you want to do?
What chat? No, day. I'm still care anything you should ask me for.
What you give me?
Anything you want, I would.
What?
Anything you want, I would.
You only give me a cousin.
Yeah, I'm a twin.
I'll do anything
for you.
Cousin.
Chat. Me and her we argue, but I'm a twin. Me literally do anything for her. Anything. Not care how me fix with her. If she call for me,
best thing ever in my life, so don't worry. That's don't worry why I give it chat.
That girl that I'm a dance for life, she didn't even know that.
Come here. And me a friend. Mind about you something like food.
10 story now on a year, you know. I run with it. And that's why she can't cook with you.
That believe me. Yeah? You need it? No. So that obviously you can't eat.
What's on the menu? Ear pie or nothing. I mean I cook my mess until alright, so you're going to put that in there so.
Boy, I
So move from the table and man, she get ignorant for me right
now. Nah, ignorant man, not move to it. Yeah, no bad man.
No, too much.
Hey, move from my son, you can't season me.
You just tell me something, you're not around me.
Move man. You know about seasoning.
She just tell me say she not around me. Alright, so I put the seasoning for soaking out a little, you know. So I get your plain cover and cover it up. Tenderize the meat a little bit. Yeah, you wash your hands properly. This is a shall learn. Wash the pot cover. Put it on. Okay, good. Clean up after yourself, just like I'm a teacher. Yeah. You know, if you get time in your skin now.
Yeah, cross, you know, that's what we can. You see? I chatting and nah, you even know what you do, man. A peer judgment take you. Fine.
Where's the bleach?
You know what we bleach? You know what you bleach as well. Move fine for me, man. That's across. What of this picture? For what?
You know, tell the people, let me say, one girl thump in your eye for me. You know, see a diamond eye search that? You see her eye? When I'm a mate to them, well, and thump on.
And they're amazing.
And you see her eye over there, so me and diamond rolling on, you know, so I put diamond up on the front seat and so when I'm a mate to them and I crowd to diamond, blue, one thump in that, come show them if I tell, come. I don't want to use to her bad sale, but she kind of gets soft, you know. Come show them if I tell. She don't want to show me. But, my mate, count your days. You see where you do shorty eye? Count your days, you know, my mate.
You wish?
Count your days, because you're not hurt my shorty and get through with it. Look at what you did to her. Look at this.
Right now, I love this class. You know what I'm facing, you know, and I chop up into one end. Righty. That couldn't never happen. What happened, babies? 300 taps, babies.